Hello everyone, and today I will tell you that how you can earn good money by YouTube monetization policy, because YouTube has been introduced its exciting new updates for the YouTube partner program, and it reward all the amazing creator for short creators to sustainability grow, and you can get ad revenue sharing also from YouTube, and YouTube is also introducing the creator music. So there is so much exciting news related to YouTube, because previous monetization policy was like 1000 subscriber and 4000 valid public watch hours, whereas right now YouTube gives you second option, which was related to the shorts. And if you did 10 million shorts views on your YouTube channel, and with the 1000 subscriber you can get monetized, and easily you can get monetized through the short views. The third exciting update was like access to the fan funding, and because of fan funding you have the opportunity to get more bonus and more earn money through special super thanks, super chat, super stickers, and the channel membership. So YouTube is giving you lots of options to earn good money, and you can get these new eligibility threshold for fan funding will apply to video, live stream, and your shorts, and make money earlier in their journey. YouTube give you the great platform, the great opportunities. Right now updated opportunity will be on 2023. The January 2023 will be very exciting and new ways to make money with the shorts. YouTube giving you opportunity to short funds, and you can earn money and get monetized through the shorts. So it is another very exciting news for the YouTube partner program creators. So the new creator can get money through super thanks, and also can get money through you will still collect revenue from your short ads.